All right, now for please adjust your sound for a little something different. If you've ever played Euchre, check this one out. It's called Cutthroat Euchre. It's 3 of us. Whoever makes trump, the other 2 are partners. So here we go. That is a club as possible trump. I'm going to pass that. Got a lot of clubs. Oh, diamonds it is. So Amber is the maker. So Nicole and I are the team make. And doesn't look good. Well, there you go. All right, come on, Nicole. Do your thing. All right, there we go. And you have one? Yep. Kept the old jack for the end ploy. All right. That's pass. Diamonds it is. Now there is an option to go alone in this also, but we're not going to go alone, no. Okay. All right, here's diamond. Let's play with him a little bit here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Now the double jack thing messes a lot of people up, it really does. There we go. Now I am going to speed this up too a little bit, so it won't be so dreadful. And pass. And pass. Diamonds, huh? All right. Ooh, took it. Got a whole bunch of them, I see. Yeah, boy. Oh, got them all. Good for you. Pass. Try it. There we go. Spades, huh? Right away. Ooh. Oh, I have spades. All right, my bad. Interesting with this three-person deal. Amber got it. Pass. 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 Oh, it is hearts, huh? Will it walk? No, didn't think so. Yeah. It's diamond. Oh, there we go. There we go. Take another one. Ah. Yeah, got her 3. That's all right. As long as you take one, that's all that matters. Oh, I'll take it up. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Mine. Yeah. Didn't think so. Yeah. Oh, I lucked out. Oh no, I took it anyway. That was the jack. Okay, that's fine. Let's finish this up here. Pass. Pass. Hearts. Amber is the one. Huh? Ooh. That's a heart. That's a club. Sometimes it's a spade or whatever. So, ooh, like that's a spade. There you go. One more. Looks like. No, pass. There we go. Let's go with that. Now there is no going alone in this because you are going alone if you make trump, right? Oh, here. See if I can suck it out. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Yeah. Ooh. Strategy. See that? There we go. Almost. I'm hanging in there. Hanging in there. I made it. Just clubs. Just end this thing. Are you kidding me? I got my... I didn't even look at this. Unbelievable. Wow. I did not expect that. That was pretty different. Okay. Come on. Come on, pass. Spades. Fine. Come on. Okay, Amber. Oh, spades. I got it. Okay, Amber, you're it. And you got them all, right? Beautiful. Here we go. Oh.